For teams that have not upgraded to Atlassian Cloud, we have created a server version for ZenUML support. Today I'm going to show you how to install and use ZenUML on Confluence Server. First, let's go to install it. Click Manage APPs and then find New APPs. Type in ZenUML, return. ZenUML on Confluence Server is free, so click Install, accept and install. Once that has been installed, we can create a page to use the application demo. To embed a ZenUML macro, there are two ways to do it. One is use a shortcut and type in sequence and return. Now you can type in ZenUML DSL, something like a method or service get book or client server message, etc., etc. Or you can double click this macro. It will bring up editor where you can see the preview in real time. Say in this get book we use a controller get. So you can see this, and we can use comment to comment out. After that, click Submit. When you click Publish, it will be published with your page. But before doing that, I'm going to show you another way to embed a ZenUML macro, which is from here, go to Other Macros, click Active Sequence. So you will be brought to this editor. In this editor, you can type in your ZenUML DSL. If X b.method submit. Before or after the macro, you can type in something and something else and end. Let's publish it. Okay, demo already exists. We name it demo 1. Publish. Okay, so the diagram is published on the page, and we can also export it as PDF from the menu, export to PDF. Something else, and the diagram. And that's it.